Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on Tapswap. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Tapswap bot. So open up Telegram, so search for Tapswap and then open up Tapswap bot and then click on start so that you can open up the bot to start playing with it. So this is now loading, so it's opening up. So what you can do now, you can simply earn money by tapping. So when you can earn money by earning cryptos. So what happens is that, so the primary way to earn money with Tapswap mining is that using this bot through tapping rewards. Okay, so the bot tracks the coins you earn by just tapping these coins, so you will earn cryptos by tapping. So this creates a passive income stream through the stream that grows as you accumulate more coins, which you can convert it into money later on, or you can withdraw it as money. So that's how you can actually, and apart from these, you have referral programs here. So you can also the Tapswap offers referral programs as well, which it allows you to earn additional rewards by inviting others to join. So you can click on send this invite link, send it to your friends, and then you can make them join the platform. So when someone signs up using your referral link and starts playing, then you will receive a percentage of their rewards as referral bonus, which is in addition to your earnings. So that's how you can make money through rewards on Tapswap. So I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.